Okay, so I'm so sorry I kept you guys waiting. We were working up on some things like now we finished here. The videos were big and I was just trying to break them down so that we can get them well. Is it clear? So I'm so sorry I kept you guys waiting, and I'll be dropping real plenty videos nowadays. So let's get started. We did first order, second order, and I want to teach you guys Laplace transformation today. Okay, so let's get started. So let's start with Laplace transformation of trigonometry. So for tricks, okay, you can get some of the Laplace reading from the book here. So let's just get straight ahead to it. The solving part, it's mathematics, so we'll solve it out. So Laplace transformation for tricks. Let's say you have to find a transformation for sine AT. Okay, this is formula works. All you have to do is to keep up the formulation in your head, and then you are good to go. So if you have sine AT, this is the formula you use: a over s squared plus a squared. Is it clear? A over what? S squared plus what? A squared. So if you have to find the Laplace transformation of, let's say, sine 4t, is going to be equal to what? 4 over s squared plus what? 4 squared. 4 is 16. Oh yeah, so 4 over s squared plus what? 16. Are we clear? So to show you are you are working upon the transformation, you bring the Laplace symbol. Is it clear? It's like kind of a Kelly L. Okay, so that's it. That's how it go for sine 4t. Let's say you have to find for Laplace transformation of sine t. Note that there is one here, but mathematically we don't write it, so you re-put it back into the formula where a is equal to 1. So you have 1 over what? S squared plus 1 squared. Is it clear? 1 1 1. So 1 over s squared plus what? 1. Is it clear? So this is for trigonometry sine. Okay, you just have to keep this formula in your head. It is constant. Keep it in your head. Yeah. So let's do for cos. So if you have to find a Laplace transformation of cos, let's say AT again is going to be equal to s over s squared plus a squared. S over s squared plus a squared. For this one, you're only dealing with the a. Okay, forget the s. S no trouble. As I say, so yeah, so you're dealing with the a. So if you have cos 5t is going to be equal to what? 5 over s squared plus what? 5 squared. Are we clear? So you have s over s squared plus what? 5 squared. This is going to be equal to s over s squared plus 5 is 25. Are we good? So this is for sine and what? Cos. Look through. If it is fast, you just pause it down and then replay it slowly. Is it clear? So this is for sine, and this one is for what? Cos. Let's go to the advanced part. Okay, so for the advanced part, we have, let's say, cos and sin. Yeah. So Laplace transformation of sin and sine and h. That's how I call it. How you call it? This is going to be equal to a over s squared minus a squared. You see the inverse of this. The operation sign will do what? It will change. Are we clear? So if you have to find the Laplace transformation for sin, let's say 60, you compare this your a. Always remember what is attached to the sin or the cos or the sine or the cos is the a. Is it clear? So this one you're going to get, it's going to be equal to 6 over s squared minus 6 squared. So what we get? 6 over s squared. 6 is 36, right? Minus 36. Is it clear? Yeah. So this for the sin part. So let's say you have cos. Laplace transformation of cos AT. This is going to be equal to s over s squared minus what? A squared. You see, this is also the inverse part. Yeah. So the operation sign changes from the cos own. Matters here. So this is going to be equal to, Let's go. You have to find the Laplace transformation of cos 60. Okay, so let me solve a strategic out so you get how to do it when you get questions to solve it out. So solution. You know that your A is equal to what? 6. Then you state the formula. What's the formula? The formula for the cos one is what? S over S squared minus what? A squared. So you're going to put it inside. Just sub it inside. S over S squared minus 6 squared. So what do we get? S over S squared minus 6 is 36. You are done. As simple as ABC. So this is the Laplace transformation for tricks. Is it clear? Okay. So let's look at the Laplace transformation for the E, the special engineering variable E. Yeah. Okay. So for the Laplace transformation of the special engineering variable E, it will always be in the form of e raised to the power at. Are we clear? Okay, so we all know that the a is a number, right, attached to the t up there. You can get up more readings on the Laplace term here in the handout. So let's say you have to find the Laplace transformation of e raised to the power 5t. If it is in the form of e raised to the power at, okay, this is the formula you use. It's going to be equal to 1 over s minus a, where a is the number. Is it clear? So let's compare it to this one. Let's make it 3. So Laplace transformation of 3t is going to be equal to 1 over s minus what? 3. You are done. That is all. Is it clear? You are done. That is all. So if you have the Laplace transformation of, let's say, e raised to the power minus t, is it clear? You know, see the t inside, they get 1, but you know the rep. It's minus 1 there. Is it clear? So the a becomes what? A minus 1. So it's going to be equal to 1 over s minus 1. Is it clear? So it's going to be equal to what? 1 over s plus what? 1. Are we good? That's how you express them. So this for the special engineering number E, the one like the Euler symbol. So this the step for it. Just slow down the video and watch it. Now let's come to the variable raised to the power. Okay, so let's take a variable like t raised to the power n, where the n is the number. Okay, so this is a formula. This is going to be equal to the number factorial. The exclamation mark is factorial. It's on the calculator. Okay, my calculator is not with me, but if you check your calculator, you see that sign there, the factorial sign, all over Sn plus 1. Those of you who did kind of saying probability, you get to know the sign factorial. Yeah, so it's going to be equal to n factorial all over Sn plus what? 1. So if you have t raised to the power 4, the 4 is the end. Is it clear? You have to know. So this is going to be equal to 4 factorial all over S4 plus 1. My calculator is something I can't find it 4 factorial right now. I'm kind of a bit lazy right now. It's going to be equal to, let's say the 4 factorial unya 20. I'm not saying it's 20, okay? Punch it on the calculator and get the correct answer. So if the 4 factorial was supposed to be 20, you get 20 all over s raised to the power what? 5. Are we clear? So we learned about the trigonometry on the sine, cos, sin, cos, e, and then raise to the power of the variables. So you have to slow down the video and make your own notes out from this. Okay, I've been busy of late, so I've not been able to be making a lot, but I'll try my possible best to do plenty for you. So please share it to your friends so that they also understand it. Yeah, we will meet someday. There are some questions in the handout. You can try them out. Yeah.